Okay, today is baby Micah's second month birthday. And so we're so happy, we're gonna just say, yay! Happy birthday,
Happy
Mommy!
birthday!
It's my birthday, my 2 months birthday! Yay!
Where's the cake? No, just kidding.
I like my mommy and I like my daddy. And I'm going to just wish my mommy and daddy a good happy day because it's my 2 months birthday. Chica chico, chica chico, chica chica cheek, chica chica belly button, chica chica hat, chica chica knees, chica chica clap clap. I love you, Mommy. I love you.
I love you too.
Tell her I love you, Mommy.
I love you.
Oh, I love you, Mommy. Oh, I love you.
I love you.
Say I love you. Oh. Oh, I don't want to bother with that. Yes, tickle, tickle, tickle knees, tickle, tickle belly, tickle, tickle cheek, tickle, tickle knees, tickle, tickle belly, tickle, tickle cheeks, tickle, tickle knees, tickle, tickle belly, tickle cheeks. Love you, Mommy.
Love you.